Hello, Liberty Middle School. This is Mrs. Strand, the seventh grade counselor, and I am here today to help you launch our super exciting Giving Hearts Day event. We are going to start, as we kind of your teacher talked to you about yesterday, by choosing a theme. So yesterday you chose a theme that you were interested in finding out ways to support with your time, talent, or treasure. And now I'm going to show you how you find different organizations in our community that help meet the goal of helping that group. So here's givingheartsday.org website. When you go to the website, you're going to scroll down and it gives you all sorts of great stories and things and ways that you can help and different charities that they support every day. There's kind of a new 3 that they're highlighting. And if you get to down here, it says browse charities. So click on that. And as you wait, it'll come up and you'll see that very same list that we used yesterday to vote on the organization type. So if you scroll over here on the left side, you'll see all those different great themes and groups and people and animals and all sorts of ways that we can help in our community. You're going to find whichever one you had decided on yesterday. So if you decided that your Mustang Minutes class is going to help youth, you're going to click on that. And that'll pull up a series of nonprofits within our region and the state of North Dakota that help youth meet whatever variety of goals they have. And you'll see there's many of them. So today your teacher will guide you through, as a small group, you're going to pick 2 or 3 of these that you're just kind of looking at for the first time and thinking, oh yeah, I might want to find out more about that. And then your teacher will have you pick one, and then from there you will research that one a little more and present. And then on Friday, you'll vote and choose which one your Mustang Minutes class would like to support during this year's Giving Hearts Day.